Butter chicken or mac and cheese? What would be your weekend meal? A combination of both sounds perfect, doesn't it? The classic Indian flavours of butter chicken paired with macaroni is the ultimate comfort meal. The ingredients needed for this are butter, chicken, onions, milk, butter chicken sauce, lots of mozzarella and cheddar cheese, and of course, macaroni. To begin, melt 10 grams of butter in a pan. Then stir 300 grams of chicken pieces until they have started to brown. Season with half a teaspoon of salt and of pepper, and continue to stir. When the chicken is cooked through, remove the meat from the pan, leaving as much of the remaining oil behind as possible. Throw in 20 grams of chopped onion and cook until softened. Then add 2 tablespoons of flour. Once combined, pour in 250 milliliters of milk and stir continuously until it starts to bubble. Then add 250 grams of butter chicken sauce and stir through. Once combined, melt 50 grams of mozzarella cheese and 50 grams of cheddar cheese into the sauce. Then add your cooked chicken back into the pan and stir everything through. And finally, 150 grams of macaroni shapes. This completes your special macaroni mixture. Put this mixture into a deep baking pot. Once the pot is full, coat with 100 grams of mixed grated cheese to create a crust. Then bake at 160 degrees for 20 minutes. When cooked, garnish with some fresh coriander. Just look at this gorgeous hearty dish.